Sa video na to, magda-dive tayo sa TikTok Shop Affiliate Program and kung paano ka makakapag-recruit ng creators para i-promote yung products mo and i-track yung sales nila. What's going on everyone? My name is Eric Hunter. And dito sa channel na to, inaalis namin yung unnecessary distractions para matulungan kayong i-harness yung new platforms and palaguin yung e-commerce brand nyo. Bakit important ang TikTok for e-commerce? Nag-explode ang TikTok into a new cultural phenomenon. More than half ng users nakikipag-interact sa brand content araw-araw. And Gen Z considers this as top platform para makadiscover ng new product. Unlike sa traditional social networks, yung algorithm ng TikTok nagsasurface ng content based sa engagement, hindi sa follower count. So, ibig sabihin, kahit small creator ka lang pero maganda yung video mo, pwede kang umabot sa millions. Yung integration ng TikTok ng shopping features like product tagging and TikTok Shop, ginagawa itong possible na madiscover, matutunan, at makabili ng products yung viewers without leaving the app. Yung frictionless path from interest to purchase, ang dahilan kung bakit sobrang hot topic ngayon ang affiliate marketing sa TikTok. What is the TikTok Shop Affiliate Program? So, affiliate marketing is a performance-based model kung saan kumikita yung creators ng commission from sales na na-generate nila. Sa TikTok, nagtatag yung creators ng products sa videos or live streams nila. Kapag nag-click at bumili yung viewer, may makukuhang percentage of the sale yung creator. Yung TikTok Shop Affiliate Program, pinapadali nito yung process kasi hindi naka-host na yung product catalog mo within the platform. And sila na rin yung nag-handle ng payments, commissions at tracking. Usually, yung commissions nasa 5 to 15% para sa physical goods. And pwede pang mas mataas para sa digital product. Pag sumali ka sa affiliate program, nagkakaroon din ng exposure yung products mo sa TikTok recommendation algorithm. Kasi binibigyan ng value ng TikTok yung engagement, yung content na nagdadrive ng clicks at conversions, mas malamang na ipakita sa mas wide audience. So nagkakaroon ng virtuous cycle kung saan pinopromote ng affiliates yung products mo. Nagja-generate ng sales and dahil doon, mas madami rin yung views nila. Eligibility and setup. Para makasali sa TikTok Shop Affiliate Program as a brand, kailangan mo ng TikTok business account at verified TikTok Shop. Kasama sa requirements na dapat at least 18 years old ka, makapasa sa identity verification at mag-list ng physical products na compliant sa TikTok policies. May mga product categories na bawal or restricted like alcohol, adult goods, or regulated items. So make sure na i-check mo yung TikTok guidelines para makapasok at maging qualified yung products mo. Once na-verify mo na yung account mo, sundin mo yung steps na to para ma-set up yung affiliate program. Gumawa ng TikTok shop mo, mag-register through Seller Center, i-upload ang product catalog mo, and iset yung shipping at return policies. Enable affiliate features sa loob ng Seller Center. Pumunta sa affiliate settings, i-on yung option para ma-allow yung creators na mag-apply para i-promote yung products mo. Then mag-set ka ng commission rates per product or category. Usually, higher commissions ang nakaka-attract ng more creators. I-clarify mo yung niche at audience mo. I-identify mo kung sino yung sinaserve mo at ano yung value na hinahanap nila. Sa TikTok, yung audiences sumusunod sa content, hindi lang sa brands. So kung nagsasell ka ng eco-friendly household items, pwedeng niche mo ay sustainable living. Yung clarity na to ang makakatulong para makahanap ka ng creators na same values din at yung audiences nila align sa target market mo. I-optimize mo yung TikTok profile mo. Yung polished profile nakaka-attract ng both customers and potential affiliates. Gumamit ka ng focused bio na nag-explain ng brand mission mo. Maglagay ka ng link sa bio gamit yung link in bio tool para ma-organize yung products, promo codes at affiliate sign-up link. Ipin mo yung top performing videos or seasonal promotions sa profile mo para makita agad ng visitors yung best content mo. Recruiting creators. So yung pag-recruit ng affiliates is about finding creators na pwedeng mag-represent ng brand mo in an authentic way at mag-drive ng sales. So ito yung mga key steps na pwede mong gawin. First, identify potential partners. Pwede mong gamitin yung TikTok Creator Marketplace or third-party platforms na nagmamatch ng brands with influencers. Maghanap ka ng creators na aligned yung content nila sa niche mo at consistent na nag-engage sa audience nila. Check mo yung metrics like average views, engagement rate, at existing brand collaborations. Di mo kailangan ng mega influencers. Actually, micro at nano creators can deliver strong conversions kasi mas trusted sila ng audiences nila. Evaluate performance indicators. I-consider mo yung two dimensions, data at craft. Yung data, ito yung measurable success like may track record ba yung creator na nagda-drive ng sales or gumawa ng meaningful content. Yung craft naman, about sa kung paano sila mag-tell ng story. Nahuhook ba nila agad yung viewer? Nade-demonstrate ba nila ng maayos yung product? And nakaka-create ba sila ng urgency? Yung creator na na-master yung both, usually siya yung nagpo-produce ng best results. Iwasan yung random sampling na basta nagsiseed ka lang ng products sa dozens of creators without evaluating fit. Mag-create ka ng simple onboarding process. Gawin mong super easy para sa creators na sumali sa program mo. Mag-provide ka ng clear requirements, commission rates, at creative guidelines. Mag-offer ka rin ng lightweight brief na may kasamang goal. For example, generate clicks to our new skincare kit. Tapos magbigay ka ng few proven hooks like nighttime routine transformation. And isa, dapat may demo like applying the product, pero mag-iwan ka ba rin ng room for creative freedom. Yung balance na to nakaka-encourage ng authenticity habang nakastay pa rin yung content on track. Build relationships. Yung affiliates, hindi sila channel, partner sila. So, kailangan regular ka makipag-communicate, magbigay ng feedback, at i-recognize yung top performers. Pwede ka rin mag-offer ng higher commissions or bonuses sa creators na consistently nagda-drive ng sales. Mag-maintain ka rin ng shared dashboard or tracker kung saan makikita ng creators yung performance at payments nila. Yung transparency, nakaka-build ng trust. Generating trackable links and promo codes. Yung TikTok Shop allows you na mag-generate ng unique product links for each creator. Yung links na to nagtatrack ng clicks and sales. Para i-create to sa Seller Center, pumunta ka sa Affiliate Management and i-select yung Create Campaign. Piliin mo yung product, i-set yung commission rate, then i-generate mo yung link or code for each creator. I-share mo yung link sa creator and instruct mo sila kung paano i-tag yung product sa content nila. Pwede rin nilang ilagay yung link sa bio or comments. Promo codes, pwedeng i-complement sa affiliate links. So, pwede kang mag-assign ng unique discount codes about creator na pwedeng i-enter ng followers nila sa checkout. Nakatulong yung promo codes para ma-track yung sales kapag nag-shop yung viewers through your website instead of the TikTok Shop. At nabibigay din yung codes ng extra incentives para bumili yung customers. Content strategy for affiliates. Yung successful affiliate program nakarely sa compelling content na parang entertainment, hindi parang ads. So, encourage mo yung creators na mag-hook agad. Yung first few seconds kasi, yun yung magde-decide kung mag-keep watching ba yung viewers. Kaya mag-suggest ka ng eye-catching visuals or questions na nakaka-pique ng curiosity. Show, don't sell. Yung demonstrations, super powerful. So kung nagsisell ka ng kitchen gadgets, hayaan mo yung creators na magluto ng quick recipe gamit yung product mo. For beauty items naman, pwede silang gumawa ng before and after makeup look. Mag-tell ka ng stories. Mas naaalala ng mga tao yung stories kaysa sa features. So yung creator dapat mag-share ng personal anecdote kung paano na-solve ng product yung isang problem. Use trends. Incorporate mo yung popular songs, challenges, or formats. Yung TikTok algorithm kasi mas gusto yung trending content. Pero make sure na yung trend tugma pa rin sa brand mo. Integrate mo yung links naturally. Yung product tags at clickable links dapat parang part lang ng content, hindi pilit. Pwedeng i-mention ng creators yung link in bio or ituro nila yung shopping bag icon sa screen instead na ilagay yung link sa dulo. Tracking performance and optimizing. Yung pag-monitor ng results essential para ma-scale yung affiliate program mo. May ilang key metrics dito like click-through rate or CTR. Ito yung kung ilang viewers ang nagtatap ng product link compared sa total views. Conversion rate. Ito yung percentage ng clicks na nagiging actual purchase. Kapag low yung conversion rate, pwedeng ibig sabihin hindi appealing yung product sa audience na yun or may kailangan i-improve sa call to action. Revenue per video. I-compare mo kung magkano yung revenue na na-generate ng bawat piece of content. Gamitin mo to para ma-identify kung aling creators or formats yung best performing. Affiliate sales by creator and campaign. I-breakdown mo yung revenue per individual creator and per product para makita mo kung sino talaga yung drive ng most value. Engagement trends. I-observe mo yung audience, comments, and shares. Yung insights na to magre-reveal kung ano yung nagre-resonate at kung saan ka pa pwedeng mag-improve. With this data, pwede mong i-adjust yung commission rates, pumili ng new products na ipopromote, or i-refine yung creator roster mo. For example, kung yung short unboxing videos mas nagko-convert kesa sa long tutorials, encourage mo yung creators na mag-focus sa unboxings. Common mistakes and how to avoid them. Ignoring TikTok rules. May community guidelines and health score system ang TikTok. Kapag may negative reviews or policy violations, pwede nitong maapektuhan yung ability mo to collaborate with creators. So, kailangan i-educate mo yung sarili mo at yung affiliates mo about those rules. Neglecting systems for scale. Kapag dozens of creators na yung minamanage mo manually, mabilis siyang magiging chaotic. So, gamitin mo yung influencer management tools or spreadsheets para i-track yung applications, approvals, payments, at performance. Poor product market fit. Huwag mong i-assume na yung best-selling item mo mag-work din agad sa TikTok. Yung products na may clear problem na sinosolve at madaling i-demonstrate on video yung usually nagpe-perform best. I-verify mo muna yung demand bago ka mag-invest heavily sa program. Signs of a healthy affiliate program. So, dapat i-look out mo yung signals na nasa right track yung program mo. Una, quality creators apply. Ibig sabihin, may interest ka from creators na aligned sa niche mo at gumagawa rin ng high-quality content. High sample acceptance rate. Kapag nag-offer ka ng products sa creators, at least 3% ang nag-accept at gumagawa ng content. Strong views to sales ratio naman. Yung views mo nag-generate ng proportional number of sales relative sa views, which means good fit yung content at product. Cross-platform lift. Kung napapansin mo na may spike sa sales mo sa website or sa ibang channels after TikTok promotions, ibig sabihin yung affiliate content mo nagda-drive ng brand awareness beyond sa platform mismo. Here's an example campaign for a beauty product launch. Sabihin natin magda-launch ka ng bagong vitamin C serum. Mag-start ka by clarifying your target audience, yung mga taong interested sa glowing skin and anti-aging solutions. Then magsiset ka ng commission rate na 15% para ma-attract yung high-performing creators. Pipiliin mo yung micro-influencers na consistently nipoproduce ng skincare content na may high engagement. Bibigyan mo yung bawat creator ng brief. I-show mo yung product sa morning routine, i-emphasize yung lightweight texture at i-mention yung antioxidant benefits. Isang creator ang gumagamit ng trending sound at dinedemonstrate niya yung pag-apply ng serum habang dinidescribe kung paano niya napapafade yung dark spots. Tinatag niya yung product sa video at nilalagay niya yung promo code niya sa caption. Yung viewers nakiklik ng link sa bio niya or sa orange shopping cart and makikita mo yung big spike sa sales. Yung authenticity ng creator at yung simple demonstration, ginagawa nitong hindi lang mukhang ad yung content pero parang recommendation lang from a friend. After ng campaign, i-review mo yung metrics at madidiscover mo na yung videos na may before and after mas nagko-convert kesa sa static product shots. So, ina-adjust mo yung briefs mo para sa next batch na creators. Mapapansin mo rin na may isang creator na nagda-drive ng traffic pero konti yung sales. So, binababaan mo yung commission niya and nililipat mo yung budget sa top performers. So, yung TikTok affiliate program nagbibigay ng unique blend ng entertainment at commerce. Kapag na-setup mo ng tama yung shop mo, nakakapag-recruit ka na ng right creators at natatrack mo yung performance, makakabuo ka ng engine na nagda-drive ng sales at nagpapalawak ng brand reach mo. So, mag-focus ka sa authentic storytelling, clear incentives, at data-driven optimization. Mag-start small, mag-test ng different formats, at scale yung mga gumagana. With the right approach, pwedeng maging powerful revenue channel ng e-commerce business mo ang TikTok. And kung kinakailangan mo ng help to get started with ad credits, may link kami sa description. Kapag kinlik mo yung link na yun, dadaling ka sa page kung saan pwede mong i-supercharge yung ads mo at mag-claim ng up to $6,000 in ad credits para i-power yung TikTok shop mo. Again, ilalagay namin yung link sa description below. So, just so you know, affiliate link to, meaning may small commission kami kapag ginamit mo siya pero walang extra cost sa'yo. Yung commissions na to ang tumutulong para masupport yung channel at makapag-continue kami na gumawa ng free content na katulad nito. So, kung gagamitin mo siya, thank you so much in advance. And kung nakatulong sa inyo ang video na to, don't forget to leave a like, mag-subscribe, and i-hit yung notification bell para hindi mo miss ang future videos. Dito sa Ecom Mastery Channel, nakafocus kaming tulungan kayo na mag-succeed sa e-commerce by giving tips, strategies, and insights para mag-grow yung online business mo. So make sure na mag-subscribe ka. Pero other than that, thank you so much for watching and see you sa next video.